We've got an insane Claude update where you can now connect it to Adobe and do things like retouch photos, remove ums and pauses from videos, and vectorize logos. You're really only limited by your imagination. I've been playing with it the last few days and there's so much you can do. The first thing you want to do is connect Adobe to Claude, go to Customize and then Connectors and search Adobe for Creativity. So now you want to download some Adobe skills from GitHub. There's like 4 or 5 of them. If you comment skills, I'll send you a link over to all of them, but this will allow you to batch edit photos and videos and all kinds of cool stuff. Once you have them downloaded, go back to Customize and then Skills and Create Skill and upload them, and then you're good to go. First up, and this is a crazy helpful use case, let's say you need a logo, but your client sends you a really blurry one. Maybe it's a screenshot from their website.
Oh, no.
And we all know sending blurry pictures is like rule number 1 of being a web design client. Anyway, pop whatever cursed file I gave you in the Claude, like here we're using the Target logo as an example, and ask it to turn it into an SVG, and after a few minutes, you're good to go. Next up, and this one blew my mind, I've got a 2-minute talking head clip of Vito that I want to turn into a short. Normally I'd be in the editor for like 20 minutes trying to take out every and awkward pause. Instead, just drop it into Claude and tell it to use the Quick Cut Adobe skill, and it'll auto trim all the dead space for you. Here's the raw clip.
I'm genuinely excited to have you here, because today we're kicking off something huge.
And then the after.
I'm genuinely excited to have you here because today we're kicking off something huge. I'm Vito, I'm the co-founder and CEO here at Atarim.
Next, we're gonna use the portrait retouch skill on this picture right here because I wanna use it for a YouTube thumbnail. So all you have to do is upload the photo into Claude chat and tell it what you wanna do. Then the Adobe skill is gonna ask you a few questions about how you want it edited. You can answer those questions and within a few minutes, you're done. This is the before and this is after. How cool is that? Let me know in the comments, what are you gonna do first with this? Is there anything you've connected to Claude that you found extremely helpful? Let me know in the comments because I'm always looking for new workflow hacks and I may feature it in my next video. If you enjoyed this video and you like AI content, you've got to check out this video I recently did on one of the craziest AI social experiments I've ever seen. My name is Zachary and I'll catch you in the next one.